welcome to this channel. This channel will be mostly about cars, mods on the STI. So yeah, like as I was saying, this channel will be mostly all about cars, mods, everything, pretty much mostly minor. So for today's what I'm doing for today, I'll be replacing these latches. So these latches get old, and as you can see, they're all bendy, and they make the hood flapping on the highway. So I'm gonna start on this one and see how it goes. So on the top hood latch, on the top one, back here, on the inside you'll be using 10 millimeter socket. So these are this is the old one and this is the new one. They just got burned from the sun. So gotta install that one, and the other side, but the top part on this side is already done. I'll show you once everything is all ready. And there you have it, all fixed up, all switched. Both of them are nice and tight. So now it's time to remove the snowboard, that rack, and that one had just fallen. So let's get that done. 3, 2. Ski rack, I took out also the basket, and I just left the racks. So I don't know how long I'll have them there for. Now I gotta do that winch. It's all, look at that, no good. Alright, so we got the winch cleaned up. Well, not cleaned up, but we got the wire already fixed. It was all nasty. And we got our hood latches and no more basket. But yeah, these are gonna be videos of just Jeep mods, Subaru mods, either one. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked it.